hello everybody. Welcome to this week's math class. How are you doing today? Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you very much. So now we're at math class week number 12 already. And today we're going to talk a little bit about thick and thin and equal and unequal. Okay, so we're going to start with thick and thin. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so thick usually means it has a lot of volume, right? Something is very thick, like a thick book you can see right here. And the other one, a thin book, a thin. It's usually very thin, not too big, right? Very thin. So thick and thin. Can you say thick? Very good. And thin. Okay, so next we're going to look at a few objects and things. And I'm going to ask you if they're thick or thin. Okay, let's go. Okay, first, a pencil. Do you think a pencil is thick or thin? Thin? Let's take a look. Very good. A pencil is thin. Next, we have a... Whoa. It's a very big tree, right? You think this tree is thick or thin? Very good. It's a very, very, very thick tree, right? Very thick tree. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, what's that? It's a snake, right? Yes, it's a snake. Do you think this snake is thick or thin? Is it a thick snake or is it a thin snake? Very good. It's a thin snake. Can you say it's a thin snake? Very good. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Boy, that's also a snake. What do you think about this snake? Do you think it's thick or thin? Thick or thin? What do you think? Very good. It's a thick snake. Can you say it's a thick snake? Okay. Very, very good. It's not too difficult, right? Thick and thin. Thick when it has a lot of volume, and thin and there's little volume. Okay, let's take a look at the next shoe. Okay, so thick gets a thick and thin gets a cross. Okay, what do you think about this book? Thick or thin? Thick or cross? Very good. It's a thick book, right? It's a very thick book. What about this book? Yes, it's a very thin book. What about this pencil? Very good. It's a thin pencil. What about this one? Yes, very good. That's a thick pencil, a thick pencil. And then we go to the eraser. The eraser. Do you think this is a thick or a thin eraser? Very good. It's a thick eraser. And this one is a thin eraser. Very good. A thin eraser. Okay, then we have two different monitors or TVs. Let's say TVs, okay? This TV, do you think it's a thick or a thin TV? Very good. It's a thin TV. And the last one is a... Very good. The last one is a thick TV. Okay, good job. So after thick and thin, we're going to take a look at equal or unequal. Equal means both sides are the same, and unequal means both sides are different. So for example, let's take a look here. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 carrots, right? And on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carrots. Do you think 3 and 4 are the same? No, right? So 3 and 4 are unequal. Unequal. So for unequal, we write a cross, okay? Unequal is a cross. Then here we're going to go to the apples. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 4 and 4 is the same number, right? So equal, right? This is the sign for equal. So every time it's equal, we'll use this sign, okay? Very good. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Here we have 1, 2, 2 birds, right? 2 birds. And on this side, we have only 1 bird. So is it equal or unequal? Equal means the 2 numbers are the same, and unequal means the 2 numbers are different. So 2 and 1 are not the same, right? So unequal. This one's easy, right? Here, 1 and 1. It's the same number, right? So equal. Very good. Okay, this one is a little bit more difficult. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 popsicles on this side and this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 popsicles on this side. So 8, 8, the same number. So equal. Okay, very good. Good job. Let's go to the next one. We have a few more. Okay, whoa, here we see little octopuses, right? How many octopuses can you count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 octopuses. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clownfish. So 6 and 4 are not the same number, right? So unequal. Okay, now let's take a look at the vases here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blue vases. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 brown vases. 8 and 8, same number, so equal. Very good. Okay, now let's take a look at the keys and the locks, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 keys. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 locks. 10 locks. 9 and 10 are not the same number. So it's not equal. So not equal. Okay. Now let's take a look at the ladybirds, right? Ladybugs, sorry. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, what's that? 7, 11. Oh, this is 7, right? 7. 7. And let's take a look at the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see already, 6 bees. Okay, so 7 ladybugs and 6 bees. 7 and 6 are not the same. So unequal. Unequal. Okay. So last, we're going to take a look at the homework. So the homework is from your math book. So here, you're gonna tick the box if the numbers are equal and cross the box if the numbers are unequal. And on the other page, you're gonna circle the object that's thicker, okay? That's thick, okay? So you only circle the objects that are thick. Okay, I hope you had a little bit of fun, and I will see you again soon in live class. Until then, bye-bye.